quick update. I thought I'd take a look at the desk and show you what's up. And yeah, let's start with this. I got this old MXR Distortion 3, and the foot switch wasn't getting back anymore. It was slow, so yeah, I serviced that. You just put some lubrication on there. I used an oil meant for bike locks and so on, so that works fine. Now it's working. The guy will be happy about that. And then the big thing here, a pedal board build. This is for my brother. So, sorry, I won't flip that dock over there. It's still in the works. I've put the power on there. We have an extension. So we kept the original cables on the Harley Benton Power Plant Juniors, really good ones for the money. And I will be making a few custom boxes for this pedal board, a junction box with ins and outs, and then an ABY pedal that lets you choose between two outputs or both simultaneously, and then it's gonna have a kill switch also and tuner out. And we do have a polytune over here, so, and that will be always on, so that kind of box. And maybe later we'll add something to it because it is quite big, so it has some space for it. But for the moment I might even put a pedal on top of it like that. So this will be something I'm working on, and yeah, there's gonna be a little bit of a documentation about it. My brother used to, well, gig, play in a few bands, Snow White's Boys and Bite, and then this band called Kings in Kerosene. I think you can find something on YouTube if you look. But yeah, he used to, on the first one, he actually was the singer or growler or whatever you want to call it. And on the second band, he played bass. And yeah, he has bass and also a few guitars, a couple of my old ones. So this will be suitable for both, and it's gonna have some cool options with the routing because of that junction box over there. All right, then, this stream deck I'm gonna be building based on a Raspberry Pi. It's just there waiting. Haven't really, had the need to it, an urgent need, so it's just there waiting for me to. Oh, here's a cool one. So one of the first pedals when I got into pedal building, I ordered 3 kits, and this was one of them. I built 2 overdrive pedals and then that tremolo, and this is the other one of those overdrives. My friend has the other one, and yeah, that's how I started out with some pre-made kits. And this tremolo is actually really good. musicding.da sells these, I think. I'll try and put the link in the description. A very good tremolo. Not the easiest build you can do at first, so good soldering skills, of course. If you get into pedal building, that's something to practice, get good at, and then, get to the harder stuff, so you won't be wasting money. And then this one. This is something I'm really proud of. So, as you can see, Dewil, gnarly. So this is a fuzz pedal I came up with, and it's basically based on the bass fuzz or bass box, and then there's a booster here that's, well, they've been done. So I think that's basically a black eye. And it started out like this. So I have my prototype version. It's built on Vero board and it's really messy inside here. And I did do a video where I posted that one, I think. And I already made, as we can see, that faceplate is actually a circuit board. So that's how I can do those. I need to make a video about that. And I also did the, well, insides. But I had a mistake. So I had to do something different for my friend. In the meantime, when I'm fixing my errors on that circuit board, I told him that I can make you one. So that's what I made. As we can see, it's basically a Vero boards, few circuit boards that, you know, I've made, and then point-to-point action. You can find these on my coffee shop on sale, by the way. So they are for the foot switches. They have the resistor already included there for the LEDs, and yeah, you can buy those if you want. But that's how it looks inside. So I think it's pretty good work, and there will be a video about this coming up soon. And it sounds absolutely amazing. It's basically the only fuzz I'll ever need because it does all the sounds. Pretty much all the sounds you can imagine a fuzz pedal doing. Except the octave down. So that one I can't get out of this. But I do have a pedal for that, of course. But rarely would I need it. I can do some other stuff. But yeah, gnarly. And yeah, this just sounds killer. When I finished this and tested it, put this on my chain and started playing, I was like, damn. I immediately screwed some muff sounds from it, and then I tested out the high gain, not the high gain, like the high piercing screaming fuzz stuff and so on. But yeah, and eventually if I get that done, so the minimum amount of what you have to order is 5, so I might have a few, let's say, prototypes on sale about this some point, and check out for the video when it's coming up. I'll be shooting it soon after this. And yeah, lots of parts for the builds, and then some. I always draw down what I'm about to do, so I keep track, like and then the other desk is looking like that at the moment. Just clean it up after I put the pedal together, so that's where I'll be working. And yeah, this is what's up. So today I'm gonna be drilling holes for these. I got my stepper bit actually here. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. I can get then to building these, and these are pretty boring. I'll just be using those jacks, but this is a bit more of a complex build, so I probably will be making a video about this too. So I'll probably be making a video about this too. In case you want to do your own, I can put some links in the description of that video where you can find the diagram. So if you want to build an ABY pedal for yourself, and you can of course usually fit them in an enclosure of this size, so make a compact one, but this is gonna have some extra features on it, so it's big. But yeah, I'll get to work. This is the desk, and yeah, see you on the next video. Oh, and yeah, if you have any questions or comments about any of this, especially questions, just put a comment below and I'll try and answer to the best of my capability. Alright, have fun, rock on.